Hello guys, this is your host again Akshita from DHC New Homes, and as you can see today we are here at Chembur East. We are here at the project Shubham Group presents Shubham Trident. Guys, this is a place where your luxury meets convenience. Talking about the spacious residences that they are offering you, they are giving you 2, 3 and 3 bed residences in which your total land parcel is of zero point 0.5 acres of land parcel, guys. And they are giving you all level of amazing internal amenities for all the apartment. This will include your fully air conditioned apartment. This will have your vertified flooring, and then comes your modular kitchen with hob, and you have your chimney and water purifier already installed in your kitchen space. You're also going to get ample lights and fans in the apartment. You will get fully fitted washrooms along with Jaguar fittings already installed, and with a water heater also. You're going to get a floor to ceiling French windows as well. Now we are going to go ahead and also I'm going to help you explore the modern amenities that they are providing you, along with the connectivity and the location advantages. Let us just go forward and explore the amenities and the location advantages. Also, look down at the structure and the elevation of the tower. This is your ground plus 13-story tower, in which you'll have your two elevators, comes your mechanical car parking on the ground floor itself. You will also have a rooftop, all level of your rooftop amenities. You will get a double heighted lobby, and from your first to 13th floor is actually going to be your habitable floors. From your first till 8th floor, per floor will be having 3 apartments, and then 2 and 3 BHK apartment. From 9th till 15th floor will be your 4 BHK apartment. Guys, coming back to the amenities that they are providing you, you are getting all level of modern world class amenities, which includes your children's play area, comes your gazebo, you have your private garden space, you're going to get a fully equipped gym and society office. You're also getting a walking track, you have your yoga space, you're going to get a terrace with your banquet hall also. Guys, let me also tell you the connectivity and the location advantages for this particular project. So connectivity wise, guys, this is in very much close distance to your Chembur station. Freeway is just in 7 minutes distance from this particular location. You have your Diamond Garden just at 5 minutes distance from this location. SCLR connectivity is at 10 minutes distance, and you have your international airport located just at legit 30 minutes distance from this location. There is also a nearby metro station at 5 minutes of distance. So connectivity, location advantages, this is the best project for you. Let us just go forward and explore this sample flat. Guys, as you can see, I'm already in the sample flat of 2 BHK 640 carpet. As you can see, guys, I'm standing right here in the living space. As soon as you enter in from here, this is your main entrance, and on your left you have a beautiful sitting area. This could be your dining space along with some storage space, and then comes your L size sitting space. Here you could place your center table, and you have your TV unit right there. So basically, above your ninth floor, you will be having a deck attached that will be above the ninth floor, even for the 2 BHK. And then just look at this beautiful masterpiece, guys. Come in. This right here is your modular kitchen. Along with all the fittings installed, you have this modular kitchen with your chimney and gas. Comes your beautifully fittings kitchen trolleys. You have some storage space. Here you could just make this place for your dry area. Your washing machine could be fitted here, and then comes your fridge unit right here. And then this right here is going to be your beautiful spacious washroom. That this is your common washroom, guys. You can see the Jaguar fittings are already installed for you in your all-in price. On my right again, you have your spacious common bedroom. Guys, this right here could be your queen size bed. You will have this study desk right here. You can definitely make this as your kids bedroom as per the size. You have this wardrobe space for your kids, and you have this beautiful long length mirror. You can customize this place as per your needs. And then you have your beautifully furnished master bedroom. Guys, this right here is going to be your master bedroom. Just have a look. This is your queen size bed again. You have a very beautiful dressing table right here. Then you have this wardrobe space. Have a look, please. And then again, very premium fitted Jaguar fittings already installed in your washroom. You can just have a look, guys. So as said, this is their 2 BHK. I have already, just informed you all the specifications, the key advantages, the major USPs for the project. You just need to come and grab this opportunity right now. This is one of the prime location and a luxurious project along with your deck attached to your apartment.